Last week, I bought a coffee machine online. I have a positive opinion about it for many reasons. I bought it as a present for my parents. I saw it on a website on the internet. Its price was not expensive. I asked the company to deliver it. The delivery didn't take a long time. They delivered it after 1 day. When my parents saw it, they were happy with it. It looked great and was not broken. When they began to use it, it was easy to use. It made delicious coffee. Finally, I advise all of you to buy this machine from the same company because I think they are honest people and their products are good.